This was a war for dharma, advocate Shahid Ali. Is there an attempt being made to glorify Aurangzeb, to rewrite history?
मुझे सिर्फ एक बात का जवाब दे दे, पूरा देश मिलकर के दे दे। ये जो कहते हैं, अभी आरपी सिंह साहब ने भी कहा 1.25 लाख जनेऊ, यानी कि वो पहन के जब खाना खाता था 1.25 लाख जनेऊ, मेरे ख्याल में 5-6 करोड़ लोगों को मार के आता होगा। तो वो हर रोज 5-6 करोड़ लोगों को मार देता था। फिर यहाँ पर 85% हिंदू बच कैसे गए? ये मिथ, मतलब सोचिए ना किस तरह का नैरेटिव। एंड यू आर डिगिंग
मंदिरों को तोड़ा गया, क्या ये भी मिथ्य है या इसमें कोई तथ्य है?
तोड़ी उसने दरगाहें भी तोड़ी, उसने ऐसा जहां पर
फिर से इंपोज किया जो कि अकबर ने हटा दिया, और ये जिजिया टैक्स तो हिंदुओं पर लगाया गया था ना, ये भी मिथ्य है या तथ्य है?
Evaluate without any bias. Evaluate without any bias. He demolished mandir, he demolished mosque, he demolished this graveyards, everything he demolished as and when he saw any of the legalities, any of the corruption को कौन करने वाले? वो पंडित।
So he was waging a war against everybody. He was waging a war against everybody.
वो जो भी गलत के खिलाफ था, वो गलत के खिलाफ था।
मंदिरों को तोड़ने के पीछे क्या गलत था? उसमें क्या करप्शन हो रहा था?
आप वो हिस्ट्री पढ़िए ना, वहां पर किस तरह से
नहीं, हिस्ट्री पढ़ के, हिस्टोरियन्स का अकाउंट पढ़ के ये सवाल पूछा जा रहा है कि औरंगजेब को ग्लोरीफाई करने की इतनी कोशिश क्यों हो रही है?
जितनी भी तोड़ी है,
अगर संभाजी को टॉर्चर किया गया और उसको एक मूवी में दर्शाया जाता है, तो ये कहना that this is filmy torture of Hindus, is that right? Is that okay? Is that justified, Shahid Ali?
ये जो फिल्मी टॉर्चर की आप बात कर रहे हो, you were not there when the history, the incident had taken place.
So Swara Bhaskar was there, and she believes this is filmy torture of Hindus. That's right.
If one of the person is saying this is a Hindu torture or the filmy torture, then the question should be asked from her only. On what basis she has said so?
The debate would have been limited just to Swara Bhaskar, but statements started coming in favor of Aurangzeb. Statements started coming in favor of Aurangzeb, with clean chits being given to Aurangzeb. That's the reason why these questions are being asked. Let me also bring in Krishna Hegde. So Krishna Hegde, the justification is कि औरंगजेब ने सबके खिलाफ एक्शन लिया. It was not just against Hindus, and that this has happened so long ago. Why drag this in today's political scenario? क्यों सवाल पूछ रहे हैं?
Swati, it is very clear that the Congress party is anti-Sanatan and anti-Hindu. And it comes straight from the horse's mouth, where the Congress spokesperson is now speaking, and Advocate Shahid Ali is also speaking the same language, glorifying Aurangzeb. Firstly, they are trying to rewrite history or trying to mislead the country on history when they are talking about Chhatrapati Sambhaji Raje. And it is very clear that Sambhaji Raje was told by Aurangzeb at every point that convert into being a Muslim or I will hack you to death. And he cut every piece of Sambhaji Raje's body, Maharaj's body, and still Sambhaji Raje refused, and that is why he is called Dharmavir and Dharma Rakshak. And Dharma Rakshak is a very strong point, and people like Swara Bhaskar have absolutely no respect. He is a flop actress who's just trying to derive publicity. And let me tell you about this.
Actress or hit actress is beside the point. That's not the point, Krishna.
And I would not want to get into the priorities of her after her marriage, but she has no right to defame Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Raje Maharaj, who are considered as gods not only in Maharashtra but also all over India.